Bagi khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nagbenta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka Kot Admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ka Sorkar Jilla ka Thmu Wanrah ek revamp distribution sector scheme kanawan pintikna baga jilla ka nam kurdo haga Jingsam Bording shikipat ba nong shosh nong ka jilla. Yakin la pintip haga khatlai tre ujumang arajar phosan da umintri ka Sorkar Jilla ubakmi ikatna Bording abu tahar mandal haga jingakran ba kilar pathai kubor. Ula pintip ru baga Sorkar kalaikiran baga Ministry of Power ban pintmai ka Jingsam Bording haga jilla kin thupru ka jingpin biang ikinong tre shon poi house nam arajar laipusan.
Our scenery in the state is concerned. You see, we are growing in a steady way. Though our growth is a little bit different than other states and all these things. And we are now planning our adequacy plan for 2035. That when we reach 2035, how will be our power scenario? And we are in constant touch with the Ministry of Power. And we are flagging the issues which can be helped by the Ministry of Power. All these matters are being taken care of. And we are making our adequacy plan in terms of our power scenario, in terms of our all manpower and everything, including our system upgradation, all these things, to reach to 2035. So these are working very with taking everybody into confidence. We are working on it. We hope that nothing untoward incident will happen like last year. Cyclone Remal has devastated our both transmission and distribution lines. This year also possibility is there, but we expect that nothing of that sorts will happen. But team is in place to take immediate action. See, naturally we need to upgrade our own systems, whatever is there, and after the completion of Rdss, we will be reaching to a very nice position because the work has been started and is going on. Second thing is that to reduce our losses and all these things with Rdss, further losses will be there in place. Then there is the installation of smart meters, which will also minimize our losses and upgrade our position as far revenue collection is concerned. And so also we are looking forward for transmission and distribution, generation also. So we will be taking all into account to see that we are well placed when we reach 2035. It is not a question of changing all the transformer. It is the question that as and when it is required to change the transformer. Transformer may be changed because of the old age. Transformer may be changed because of the inefficiency of the transformer. Transformer may be changed because of the load capacity enhanced or increased. On that basis, and it is a continuous process also. It is not that we are waiting to see that all transformer will be changed in one go. See, monsoon season has come and will be naturally comfortable. But before the onset of the monsoon season, already we have mentioned that we have surplus power and will not go for any load shedding.